Welcome back, y'all. So today we got something that's really unique. This here was sent by the homies over at Creative Arts. Make sure you check these guys out and give them a follow. I'll leave a link in the description. So this is called the S-Gun. The S-Gun is a stencil cap adapter system, but there's a couple things about this that makes it different. The S-Gun is compatible with both female cans and can be used on male cans. Really simple to put together. Snap the cap on. Slide this into the reservoir. Then snap it onto the can. Then you just pick from the 4 different spray patterns that are available. Pop them on the front like this. Then snap it onto the can. With the male tip, it's the same thing. Nice reservoir here to collect the paint. So let's give it a try. As I said, the S-Gun comes with 4 different spray patterns to pick from. No other stencil caps offer this. First, there's the chisel / horizontal line. There's the 5mm round line. There's the 2mm round line. And we got the 1mm round line, which is very tiny. Real fast, I'll show you again how to put this together. You're going to want to press the tip down while twisting the cap on till you feel the cap go down into the can. This is not a leak, this is just from not having the tip in all the way. Paint in the reservoir. I would suggest clean the slide after every use. looks like one of the feet came off when I was removing it from the can. Well, that doesn't stop it from holding on, so I'm just gonna keep going for now.